See, we're discussing about any beats. So the beats, the topic we're discussing. The before we see the example for here the two sound wave notes. There are two sound notes. How many consider? Let us consider two sound notes. Sound notes traveling same direction okay. See, this is the first sound note. This will be our first sound note. Now this is the traveling is along positive x direction, is along positive x direction. Okay, see here the how many frequencies are there? Here the 1, 2, 3 frequencies are considering value. This is the first sound note. And next consider another sound note. This will be also the same length, but it's having different of frequency. So this is the different of frequency. These are the different of the frequency. See here, how many frequencies are there? 1, 2, 3. This sound note of the frequency, how much is there? 3. But this sound of note, how much is there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This sound note of the frequency are there 4. Now observing these two sound notes are traveling in the same direction. Two sound notes are traveling in a same direction. Now their resultant, the resultant is nothing but overlap to each other. It's the same length. This is the first one. And see the second one. This will. So this is the overlapping by there. Now observing here the crust over the crust and here the trough over the trough. When both two sound waves of the crust can be intersected, that will be the maximum displacement. See, one crust over the trough is coming by there, it's a minimum displacement. See, this is the, also we can say this is the resultant wave. Okay, this is the first wave of the displacement considered the y1 and second wave of the displacement is considered y2 and this is the overlap to each other and here the, when it's a maximum, this is the maximum and it will be also maximum. And maximum and it's come to the minimum and after that is coming also maximum and it's coming to the minimum and again it's a maximum and again it's a minimum. See, this is the overlap to each other is there. See, we can draw, this is the diagram for this one. See, this is the considering by the, when the crust over the crust is there, it's a maximum. And a crust over the trough is coming by this a minimum displacement. Again it's a maximum and it's a minimum displacement. Again the maximum displacements are there. See, this is the resultant of a wave. See, observing how many sound wave notes are taken by the other? Two sound wave notes in traveling in the same direction and same distance and same amplitude but different. The smaller of the light, the difference of the frequency and when is the overlap to each other, that time, see, this is the crust is coming by the in a trough and it is the trough is coming by in a crust and at the same time sometimes the both of them in a the maximum of the crust are constrained by them. See, this is called as the beats. So what is called as beats? See, here these two sound waves and it's a resultant See here the producing of maximum and minimum. Maximum is called as the vaccine and minimum is called as the value. This is based on we have developed the statement of bits. See what is the statement is there? The phenomena in which of two sound notes, in which of the two sound notes nearly same frequency, traveling in the same direction, the interface produced maximum and minimum. This is called the vaccine and vanning in the intensity of combined node. The intensity of the combined node is called as the beats. Now we can develop this beats of the equation. See, let us consider two sound notes having same amplitude and traveling same direction, but small interval of frequency, F1 and F2. Their displacement. The first sound note of the displacement is considered the y1 is equal to a sine omega 1 into t. Omega is nothing but to angular frequency or angular velocity. A is nothing but to amplitude and time is the t, because of the two sound node is traveling same time interval and same displacement and same amplitude, but what is the difference is that the frequency can be different. The frequency is nothing but omega 1, and the second sound note of displacement, second sound note of displacement y2 is equal to a sine omega 2 into t. Therefore resultant displacement, see there is a y is equal to y1 plus y2. Now you can write here the y1. Sir, this is the sign is not there, cos. The cos function we are taken by that. So write here the y is equal to a cos omega 1 into t plus a cos omega 2 into t. Here in these two terms the a will be the same. Now take the common. The a will be the common, cos omega 1 t plus cos omega 2 into t. See, this is the one of the trigonometry formula is there. See, one of the trigonometry. See, what is the trigonometry of the formula? Cos A plus cos B. The trigonometry of the one of the formula is cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A minus B by 2 into sin A plus B by 2. Sin A plus B by 2. Now this is substituted here. Here the omega 1 into t is considered by the A and omega 2 into t considered by the B. See, this is the cos A and cos B function. Right, this is the resultant displacement y is equal. See, what is the 2? 2 we can write the before into a cos of a minus b. A minus b is nothing but omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t into sin a plus b. A plus b nothing but omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, this is the resultant displacement of a two sound node. Y is equal to 2a cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t and sin into omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, in this equation, the above equation, so resultant amplitude, the resultant amplitude is nothing but AR is equal to 2a cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, what is the in the above equation? Above equation means here the y is equal to a cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 into t. See, this total term we can assumption by the resultant amplitude of two sound. The remaining is the sine of omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 is indicated by the harmonic equation. So what is the remaining is indicated by the harmonic equation can be indicated by this. Now this resultant amplitude, what is that? AR is equal to 2a cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. Now here intensity of sound wave is directly proportional to square of amplitude. That means the intensity of the sound wave is nothing but I is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. See, the resultant intensity of wave, that is denoted by the IR. IR is nothing but resultant of intensity, that is equal to 4I0 cos square omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, this is the formula for the resultant intensity. See, the resultant amplitude, what is there here? 2a cos omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. See here, the intensity of sound wave is directly proportional to the square of amplitude. Now square is equal to 2 whole square, 4. The maximum amplitude is nothing but maximum intensity I0 and cos square omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. Now here we can find out the condition for the maximum intensity and condition for the minimum intensity. See here, the first one, condition for maximum intensity. The condition for maximum intensity means here we are taking by the two equations are possibilities there. The first one take this is the equation and it will both are them is there. Now consider here the 2a cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal plus cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to plus or minus 1. What is considered this? Plus or minus 1. See, the condition for the maximum intensity here taken by two equations. This will be also taken cos square omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t r. What is taken by the cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 because that's a maximum. The cos is taken this side. What is that? Omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 1. Cos inverse of plus. This cos is taken this side cos inverse. See, we can write here the cos values. Cos 0. Cos 0. How much is there? This value is the 1. Cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to how much is it? 0. Cos 180 minus 1. Cos 270 0. And cos 360 is again 1. See, this is the cos values. Now the cos inverse of plus or minus 1. The plus 1 whenever coming by that 0. And minus 1 whenever coming by that 180. 180 is nothing but pi. We can write here the omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal. Its values we can write. Cos inverse of plus 1. What is that? 0. Next, after the cos minus 1. Minus 1 when it coming by 180. The 180 is given by nothing but a pi. And next 360. The 360 is nothing but 2 pi. And so on. And so on. See, what is the whenever coming by the cos inverse of plus or minus? 0, pi, 2 pi, and so on. Now 2 is taken this side. Omega 1 minus omega 2 into t is equal to 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 2 pi, 2 pi, and 4 pi, and 6 pi, and so on. Now we can write the time small t is equal to the omega 1 minus omega 2 is taken this side 0 by omega 1 minus omega 2 comma 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and 4 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and so on. Now this is the time interval of a condition for maximum intensity. Now the difference between the difference between any two time interval. See, that is the delta t. What is called the delta t? It's a time differences. See, the second one minus first one, or third one minus second one, any one we take. See, first we take the t 2 pi by omega minus omega 2 minus of 0. See, that is equal to how much is there? 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2. See, this is the time interval between the any two differences. But we know that omega is equal to that's angular velocity or angular frequency. That omega is equal to what is the formula? 2 pi by t. See, 1 by t. 1 by t is nothing but what is the frequency? This omega is equal to 2 pi into f. Since 1 by t is equal to frequency, the reciprocal of the time period is called as the frequency. Now we can observe omega is equal to how much is there? 2 pi into f. We can substitute here. Delta t is equal to 2 pi by 2 pi into f1 minus 2 pi into f2. See, that is equal to 2 pi by, here the 2 pi will be the common, f1 minus f2. 2 pi is gets cancelled. This delta t is equal to 1 by f1 minus f2. See, this is called as the beat frequency. What is called as a beat frequency? The maximum intensity for the beat. The difference of the time interval is called the beat frequency. That f is equal to f1 minus f2. The time interval is nothing but inversely proportional to the frequency. Inversely proportional to the frequency. See, this is the condition for a maximum intensity. Now we are discussing about the condition for minimum intensity. See here, the condition for minimum intensity. That is the cos square omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t, or cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to 0, because that is the minimum intensity. Minimum is taken by the 0. The cos is taken this side. Omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to cos inverse of 0. Again we can write here the cos table. Cos of 0, how much is there? 1. Cos 90, how much is there? Is there? 0. Cos 180 minus 1. Cos 270, that is equal to 0. And cos of 360 is again there is a 1. See, this is the cos table. Now get the cos 0. When you are coming by the cos 90, cos 270. See, that is equal, we can write here the omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal. We can write here the 90 degrees. 90 is nothing but pi by 2. Next 270, 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, and so on. Now t is like the 2 is like the cross multiplication. Omega 1 minus omega 2 into t is equal to 2 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 10 pi by 2, and so on. Now we have the cancel 3 times and it is the 5 times. And this omega is like this. T is equal here pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and 3 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and 5 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and so on. Therefore difference between two minimum intensities. See, that is the delta t is equal to the first two or the second two, anyone will do. See the here 3 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 minus pi by omega 1 minus omega 2. See how much is there again? The 3 minus 1, that is a 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2. See, we know that the omega is equal, what is the formula? Is that 2 pi by t, that omega is equal to 2 pi into f. Substitute here the value, the 2 pi by 2 pi into f1 minus 2 pi into f2, and the 2f will be taken common, f1 minus f2, 2f is gets cancelled. This delta t is equal to 1 by f1 minus f2. See, this is the difference of the time interval of minimum intensities is the delta t is equal to 1 by f1 minus f2. The reciprocal of the time period is called as the frequency, that is called as the beat frequency. What is called as a beat frequency? F is equal to f1 minus f2, since see f is equal to 1 by delta t. See, now what we can understood by that? Now the understood of the difference between the maximum or the minimum, the beat frequency, f is equal to f1 minus f2.